What up, log nuts? So this customer called me complaining of a grinding sound from her rear brakes when she stepped on the pedal. So I came over and took a look for her. And once I got the calipers off, I took a look at the pads, and they look brand spanking new. The pad on the rear side of this caliper seemed a little wedged or stuck in there. So I took them all out and put them back in properly, patched everything up, and took it for a drive. And there's no more sound. Call or text the number on screen for a free consultation or to book your appointment today. Peace.